This is never why I go outside of my house. It's hailing, and we rarely get hail. This is never why I go out. What if I stick my hand up? No, I'm not doing it. Oh my god, my feet are wet. Oh, the dog got jump scared. Oh my god. Oh great, notification. Oh my god, my feet are wet. Oh, ow! That hurts. Ah, should have never stuck my arm out. Can you guys say flashlight, please? Oh my gosh. Wow. My feet are not liking this. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see that, but all the way down there, there's like, we're gonna have a flash flood tonight. And guys, I might not make it for this entire hailstorm. Last time we got hail was in like 2016 or 15. This is one crazy hailstorm. Oh my god. My feet are freezing out here. Why did I decide to come out in shorts? Guys, I don't know why, but I decided to come out in the wrong gear. Why do I always come out in the wrong gear? Like, it's like the worst gear ever. Every time. It's the cars are fleeing the area. My iPad's even wet. Okay, it's starting to die down. Okay. Yeah, bye guys.